Hi, this is Giles from Fraction ERP. In this walkthrough video, I'm going to show you how we can quickly review manufacturing demand and create stock work orders. From the dashboard, I can select part demand from the work orders menu. This screen shows me all the part demands that originate from the work orders. I can quickly filter this information by choosing an option from the top of the screen. In this case, I will choose manufactured parts and apply the filter. To narrow the search, I can also use this search box. By typing in the part number, you can see that I've narrowed the list down. The required quantity for each work order is displayed along with the current stock levels. It also shows the allocated stock and the balance. By clicking on the edit button, I can then allocate the stock for this works order. If I quickly refilter the list, I can see that the free stock balance has now been updated. To make managing this data even easier, I can also use the date filter option that you can see here on the screen. If I allocated all of this stock, I'll be showing a deficit of 160 parts. If this was a make to stock item, then rather being just from a sales order, I could create a stock work order to replenish the stock. To do this, I enter the work order section of Fraction ERP and click on the add stock work order button. I can quickly search for my part and then press the create works order button. I simply enter the quantity I want to produce and then press the generate works order button. This brings me through to the work order planning screen, where I can then schedule the works within my factory. I hope this video has given you a good idea of how quickly you can review manufacturing demand within Fraction ERP. If you'd like to learn more about our cloud-based ERP system, then sign up for a free demo at our website. Thank you.